Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 75. NOONA. NOONA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is nu, second syllable is na. Pronounce it with me. NOONA. NOONA. Again, our word for today is NOONA. This is a term for sister, but this time this is used by a younger brother. Again, NOONA means sister. Now, how do you write NOONA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. And let's go through the spelling of each of these two syllables. For the first syllable nu, we need to draw first a Nian character followed by an U character. And then for the second syllable na, we need to draw first a Nian character followed by an A character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word NOONA. Again, we have the Hangul for nu and we have the Hangul for na. And to form the Hangul for NOONA, we just need to combine these two. And with that, you just learned NOONA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 65 to 74. But don't forget our word to today, word number 75, NOONA. This is a Korean noun which means sister, and this is used by a younger brother. The first word for our review is 언니. This is another term for sister, but this is used by a younger sister. Next word is 형. This is a term for brother used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for brother, but this is used by a younger sister. Next word is 어머니, and this is the Korean term for mother. Next word is 아버지. This is the Korean term for father. Next word is 나중에. This is an adverb of time which means later. Next word is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is Araso. This is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Next word is alta. This is a verb which means to know or to understand. And the last word for our review is word number 65, Gwaenchana. This is a formal way of saying it's okay. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.